Our garage curtain is made from threaded 3/4 inch galvanized pipe and drop cloths. To connect the pipe to the ceiling and additional pieces of pipe, we're screwing on a T-fitting that has another short piece of pipe and a floor flange connected to it. Next, we slide curtain clips onto the pipe before we thread it onto the floor flanges at the ends where it meets the wall. Once all of these pieces are connected, we lift the whole assembly up into place and mark the mounting holes in the floor flanges. If some of these holes don't land on wall studs or ceiling joists, you can use drywall anchors or toggle bolts to secure them before driving screws into the framing through the other holes. Finally, we use the curtain clips to attach the drop cloth to hanging pipe, and you're done.